अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है हमारे पास 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 15x प्लस 16 और x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर। सो लेट टेक n is equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 16 or x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to sd. As it is improper fraction, so first we convert into proper fraction by division. So we divide it and then we get 3 plus 3x plus 4 our x square plus 4x plus 4, which is equal to 3 plus 3x plus 4 our x plus 2 whole square. Now 3x plus 4 of x plus 2 whole square is equal to a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 2 whole square. Multiplying both sides by x plus 2 whole square, we get 3x plus 4 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b. So for taking x plus 2 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 2. So put in equation 2, we get b is equal to minus 2. Now from equation 2, which is 3x plus 4 is equal to ax plus 2a plus 2b, by comparing coefficients of x of both sides, we get that a is equal to 3. Now put values of a and b in equation 2, we get 3x plus 4 over x plus 2 whole square is equal to 3 over x plus 2 minus 2x plus 2 whole square. Thus required partial fraction is 3x square plus 15x plus 16 over x plus 2 whole square is equal to 3 plus 3 by x plus 2 minus 2 over x plus 2 whole square. So question 7 हो चुका हमारा complete. Hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.